everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can connect two sections together using a fun bead and some double half hitch knots. If you would like to learn how you can make each of these sections using diamonds and beads, please check out Tuesday's tutorial on how to do that. Before we get started, I want to let you all know that I recently released my brand new macrame guides. There's a lot of great information inside these guides, so please check out the link in the description to learn more. Now, let's get started. Now, to connect your two sections together, we're going to take these 4 cords here directly in the middle, and we're going to tie them together with a square knot. Just like that, and I like to make sure my square knot is tightened and pulled all the way up top between the sections. Now we're going to bring in a bead and we're going to add it to these 2 middle cords. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find my leading rope from this last section of double half hitch knots. So it's going to be the one coming out of those knots. And I'm just going to continue this line by pointing it down towards the right, and I'm going to tie 2 more double half hitch knots with the next 2 ropes. Then I'm going to do the same on the right side. So find that line of double half hitch knots and follow it down so that you have your leading rope. And then we're going to tie 2 more double half hitch knots with the next 2 ropes. Now, connect your 2 leading ropes together by tying another double half hitch knot. So I'm just taking the left cord over the right and then tying the right cord around the left. Just like that. So I hope that this way of connecting 2 sections together sparked some fun inspiration for you, and of course you can use this exact design in any wall hanging you would like. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.